What's going on, boys? 10 King Nazareth, you know me as here, and today I've got a new video for you guys in the I don't have a name for this room yet, even though it's a different room now. Today I've got an opening. We're gonna start off by just showing off something that my girlfriend got me, and then we're gonna open what today's video actually is about. So I just wanted to show you guys this because I thought it was dope. She got me this Majin Buu beanie. It's just a pink Majin Buu beanie, but you know, I'm just now opening it, so I thought it'd be cool to open this in the video where you guys can kind of see it. So yeah, we're gonna open this Majin Buu beanie together, guys. I don't know, why not? You know what I mean? Awesome. Now a lot of you probably have seen this beanie on Snapchat, and if you watch a lot of anime, you've been recommended this beanie on your Snapchat. This is actually from a Snapchat ad. So for this video, we're actually gonna be rocking the beanie. What are you guys thinking? You guys rock with the Majin beanie? I don't have my like dreads right now, but not my dreads, my twists. But whenever I have my twists, I wear beanies a lot. So you know, she bought it way back whenever I had my twists in, so it just took forever to get here. We kind of thought we got scammed for a while, but it actually came in, so you know, shout out to them. We're gonna wear the beanie for the video out of respect for my girlfriend paying like $20 for it or something. So thank you, baby, for my beanie. Now what we're actually here for today is I got some new custom designed shoes, and I got these from, I think his name is Mad Customs. I'm actually gonna hold up. I'm actually gonna make sure. MadCustomsByTheDon. So shout out to him. I'm actually gonna put, I've got it back here on the screen. You probably can't see it, but I'll actually put a screenshot of his thing up on the screen here, and I'll put his link in the description to the exact shoes I bought if he still has them up. And yeah, guys, so we've got some custom shoes that I'm adding to my collection. I'm gonna start getting more of these. Rather than getting some shoes that everyone else has. I really like the idea of people making their own versions of shoes rather than buying shoes that are already like pre-made in factories. So I'm getting a bunch of different ones, and I'll be unboxing them, as well as I've got a custom jacket that was made by my good friends over at Lovers Over Losers, or is it Losers Over? It's Lovers Over Losers, I think. They make really good anime stuff, so you guys should check them out on Instagram here. And yeah, they made me a jacket. I'm still paying them for it, but they made me a custom Gara jacket that I may leak clips to if I want to. You can edit that here. If not, it's fine, whatever. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. I love this beanie. I'm not gonna lie, this beanie's cute. This beanie's fire. You know what? We do this every video now. Rate the drip. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too special today. Red shirt, some light jeans. I'm not standing up. Pink Majin Buu beanie with the Apple Watch. You know what I mean? Rate the drip in the comment section, 1 to 10. If you don't say 9,000, you low-key capping. But we got today's package here. Now, hopefully you can't see the shipping label well from there, but we've got today's package here. Does it have my address on it? It does, but it's extremely small, so I doubt you read it from there. Now, I've already cut this open because I didn't feel like waiting. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the side that has my name on it already, and I'm going to give you guys the sneak peek into the box. All right, let's go. A custom Nike Air Force One. We'll go ahead and ditch this box. By the way, he used some Nike tape on this. It says "Just Do It." That's kind of fire. Shout out to you for the little extra stuff. He didn't customize the box any, which the next pair of custom shoes I'm getting come with a customized box, but that's fine, Don. You know, that's okay. That's extra shit that nobody, you know, needs. So I'm gonna let you guys get a look at the shoes first before I get a look at them. Obviously, I can see it in the camera too. I'm not gonna cap like I can't, but I want you to get a look and see if these are fine. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna open these nice and slow for y'all. Give me a rate on the shoes, 1 to 10, in the comment section with my drip. Put my drip down, and then put the shoes drip down. Rate both of them below. So let's talk about this shoe. Oh my God, focus. So what are y'all thinking about the shoe, man? So obviously, what you're looking at here is called, he calls these the dripped Nike Air Force Ones. As you can see, it's just the normal white Nike Air Forces, but with a custom paint job over the swoosh where it's dripping. Now this is my right foot. Let me show you the left. And this is the left. So as you can see, just so you can see that this isn't necessarily like a copy paste going on here. He does use the same stencil, it looks like, for sure the same stencil for it, but they are not perfectly the same. You know, like here's that side, here's that side. So clearly it's a stencil, right? But they're not exact. Like it's not spot on, and I like it. It shows that, like, yeah, you know, like he does use a starting point, but they're customized still, you know, like he spent his time outlining and tracing in and, you know, stuff like that. So these are fire as hell. And in my opinion, I'm giving these a 10 out of 10 just because I like shoes that are simple. Like it's not doing too much. The shoe isn't doing too much on its own. The fit carries the shoe, but it's got that nice subtle, the drips here are the nice subtle like touch onto it that kind of add to it. Like, you know, like it's not a basic shoe, but it's a basic shoe, you know, like it's the normal white Air Forces, but it gives that little dash of, you, hey, look at my feet at the same time. I love these. These are dope as shit. I don't want to crease these, so I'm not gonna put them on yet. I'm gonna get some shoe protectors, or what are they called, sneaker shields for the toe box of these, because these go too crazy, and I'm not gonna try to fuck these up as fast as I can. But guys, leave a comment below. Tell me how you guys are feeling about the dripped Nike Air Force Ones. You know, would you cop these? Again, if you want to, these are running for $150, about $163. You'll pay about $163 for a dripped Nike Air Force One by my good man, Mad Customs by the Don. So shout out to the Don for my fire dripped ones. These are so heat. These are so heat. And it doesn't look, okay, let me give you a genuine like little review of it, because the cameras doesn't do it enough justice, obviously. So it gives you the stock Nike box with the stock Nike stuff in it. That's whatever, no one cares about that. So that's just like a 5, like it's 5 out of 10, whatever. It's normal presentation, which you would expect with a Nike shoe, right? But the shoe itself, it's just like, one, okay, when painting, he didn't go too rough on anything. Like it doesn't give off a fake like custom shoe feel. Like my shoe that I've made, all right, a lot of you didn't even know this, but I made a video a while back that got deleted. My custom Nike Air Force Ones are here in this box, and these are pretty fire, you know, like I fuck with these heavily. These are my custom Nike Air Force One that I spent my time creating. Now, as you can see, these are fire. These are still fire. It's got my favorite colors all throughout it. It's got like a cotton candy feel. You know, it's pretty dope shoe. I've only worn it once, but the creasing is kind of chipping the paint bad. So I boxed these since this is the first shoe I've ever made myself, and I really love these. But the point I'm getting at with that is with these, you can definitely see like, oh, someone painted those, you know, like in person, it's way too glossy. You know, it gives off a really like, that's not a real shoe kind of vibe, you know, like it's not a fake, it's a real Nike Air Force, obviously, that I customized. But what I'm saying is it doesn't feel like it's a stock shoe. Like it doesn't feel like you could go buy this somewhere, you know. But however, in comparison to, like, I'll take my left and Don's right. In comparison to Don's paintwork, Don's feels like, oh yeah, I could find this on a shelf somewhere, you know, like I could find Don's shoe at like a shoe store, like a Hibbett's or something. I could find this somewhere. That's what this feels like, you know. But this feels like, obviously it's overdone a lot because I was just fucking around trying to make something cool looking. But this has that nice slick, like, yeah, this is just a stock shoe, but it's dope as fuck kind of feel, you know. I'm gonna give his shoe a solid 9 out of 10. As far as customization go, I'm giving him a 10 out of 10 because this came out way better than I thought it would, and it's not like it's not overly like annoying or like overly obvious that it's a custom. Like it's really smooth and well put together, and I love it. Now let's see, did he get my size right? That's what we really need to worry about. Men's 13, men's 13. So yeah, we got, this is dope. This is fire. I'm fucking with these heavy. Anyways guys, I guess I need to end the video. Been talking for a while, so big shout out to Mad Customs Don. Thank you so much for this. This is fire. Obviously he didn't give me these, I paid for them, but these are still fucking dope. So thank you for putting in your hard work and making shoes like this. Again, if you guys are interested in buying this shoe, there is a link in the top of the description to Mad Customs website, their shop. It'll have multiple different shoes that he makes. This one will be listed there, I hope, unless he takes it down. And let me know if you guys like when I do reviews of stuff I've got, like shoe reviews or my little beanie or something, you know, like let me know. I'll keep unboxing stuff for you. I guess until next time, bye.